Hi you guys, this is Jeanette. I just thought I would pop up a few seconds here and let you know today we're going to look at my mantle here in the den that I decorated for Christmas 2023. So I'm going to go get my camera and I'll get right back with you. Okay, this is how I was inspired. I was looking on Pinterest and I found the pencil trees. So I had a piece of wood I wanted to do something with for a couple of years. And I painted me a pencil tree. And I thought it turned out really cute. And after I got through painting it, I said to myself, where am I going to put this? So I said, you know what, I'm going to throw it over there on the mantle at the fireplace. So that's what I did. And I thought, oh, wow, I can build from that. So I did. I said, I've got some old vintage cards that I bought at the thrift store. I would like to put them out. So this year's theme is kind of vintage. And as you can see at the top, I got some snowballs hanging. But we'll get to them later. Let's first show the vintage cards. Here's my vintage cards. I love the one. It inspired me, the bird. When I found it, I said, oh, I love that card. So what I did, we'll go up close. I just said, I got to buy that. So I bought these for what? 5 cents each, and the little vintage card there. So what I did to that card, I just took some tape and I put it there on front of the frame. And I put this in an old brush. I just think that's so adorable, you guys. And here's the other one. And I took tape for that as well. And I put it on the front of the picture as well. Now over here, I just had this little mug pitcher, and I just put a candle inside. I think them are little sewing spools. I don't know really what they are, you know, thread spools or something. But anyways, I put a candle in that. I thought that was cute as well. We're going to light that at the end of the video, and I'll show you guys. And here's one I put down on the shelf, just sitting there all by itself, lonesome. And right here, these are Christmas lights that I got from the Dollar Tree this year. And I thought they were really cute, you guys. So I said, I'll put them along the cross of the mantle. Now, I don't want to glare you guys with that light of mine. So we're going to go to this side. And guess what? I had another little piece of wood. And I painted that on there from Pinterest. I pull that up, and it's a pine needle. Isn't that cute? I tried my best, y'all. You know, I thought it turned okay. You know, and I painted the little Christmas bulb on that. Isn't that pretty? So anyhow, I said, well, I had this bird, right? You guys have probably seen it before. And I said, well, I'm going to hang a little bulb on it. And there it is, a little white one. I hung it there. And then my husband had found this bird cage, well, this bird nest cage. Oh, sorry about that. This bird nest, sorry about the glare as well from the light, but that's where I keep my light at. And I had this little red bird, and I put it inside the nest. Isn't that cute with a Christmas bulb? White. I thought that was pretty. And I hope that you guys like this video of how I decorated my mantle. Now I'm going to show you the tree. I have these pencil type trees, which I love them. And I thought, well, I'm not going to put no ornaments on it. I'm just going to put all lights. Isn't that pretty? And I decorated the bottom half with an old basket that I had for years in the Christmas colors. See there? Look at that. And see that? I put some old packages that I had for years, and I put them inside, along with these snowballs. They're just laying around like the snow just fell down. Isn't that pretty? And up here, I just had some vintage Christmas bulbs that, you know, that I've had for years. They're real old, and I just put them in this piece of this bow that's a kind of like, it is a log of some sort. And I thought, well, I think that would be pretty to put them in there. And that's how I did that. And I like that. And I have a candle over here as well, which you guys know that I make these matches for different seasons, and match holder. And there you go. And that's what that looks like. So I light this up every day. And I really like that, you guys. So you know what? You can just think out of the box and just come up with all kind of ideas. If you guys seem to get stuck, just do one thing and build from it. Like I did the picture, the Christmas tree. See how that light will kind of give it a globe at the bottom of that? Isn't that pretty? So that's the idea I came up with, and I hope that you guys like it. Now next week, we're going to show you the living room mantle, and it's vintage. I think that turned out as well. So you guys, you know what? You have a good day, and I will be seeing you later. Okay? Thank you. See you guys next week. Bye-bye.